Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Michelle Lynn and we're going to be opening up Mini Brands books. I got two of them and we're going to open them both up. Guess what? I picked them up for $7.99 at Winners. I also going to do a video with these ones, Mini Brands Mini Minis, and I also, it's not this one, found them for $7.99 at Winners. Now I wish I bought them all, but I didn't, so that's sad. They ended up selling really fast. Okay, let's get into it and open these. Oh, Totoro, Totoro. Your bedroom. Okay, so here's the first ball. It took me a minute to get it out. Let's zoom this back to 1. Okay, there's the blind bags. I'm excited to open these. I've opened these before on my channel. I'm pretty sure I did. So you can get Goosebumps, you can get Stranger Things, all these ones. And I'm filming this on Christmas. How many of you are watching Stranger Things after dinner? I know we're going to watch some. And then these ones. Some more Netflix shows. And then these. Okay, let's open the first bag. What is in this one? So this is Matilda. There we go. That's better. This is so cute. Make sure everything you do is completely crazy. It's unbelievable. It's cute. I love it. So the first book was Matilda. Next one. I suck at opening these. Goosebumps. Now, I don't think I've ever read this one. But this is the Deep Trouble one with Hammerhead Shark. I've read other R.L. Stein's, like R.L. Stein's Fear Streets are the books I read when I was younger. And let's open the next one. Oh. Okay, the magnifying glass. We got a bookmark. Sorry, it's not focusing. I think this is like supposed to look like a glitter bookmark. And we got a hardcover, guys. Cat Kid comic. So cute. And this one has a few pages of the comic. The rest are blank. So cute. I love that we got a hard copy. Next, I think, is a bookshelf. Yes, it is. And I've already got one, so I'm not going to put this together for this video. But we got a bookshelf to put our books on. Our next ball is opened. Nope, not that side. There we go. Okay, I think this is another bookshelf. It is. So we're not going to do the... Oops, I had two there. The first one. Ooh, I think I have this book. I can't remember. But I have this book. The real version of this book. Reminders of Him. So cool. Love that. Next one is BFG. I'm pretty sure I have this one as well. Have you ever seen this movie? It's such a good movie. There we go. And last but not least is another magnifying glass and a bookmark. Then we have the Vampire Diaries. Ooh, love that. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again on the next video. Bye!